little bit we can. What is it?
Wow, it's a paint.
You paint on it? Woo!
Can I have last one?
That's your last one. You got a lot of neat presents.
Can I have last one?
I think you might have one more.
Okay, do I have?
I think it's over in the kitchen.
Huh?
I think it might be in
hold
the
on.
kitchen.
Okay. Wait, I will push this.
That one's from Grandpa.
Can I take this off?
Yeah, it's from Grandpa. Let's see what it is.
Wow!
Get out of the way.
Sorry. Here, babe, let's pull it this way. What is it?
It's a meat stick.
That's from Grandpa. What is it?
Hey,
Sit
Hey.
in there.
get in it. Say, thanks, Grandpa.
Look at Daddy. Say thank you, Grandpa. Wow, that is so cool.
Can you push?
I think it's like your tractor and it's electric. Look at you even have seatbelts. Look at that. There's a seatbelt so you can buckle up for safety. Sit down.
Okay.
Okay, put it on. Oh my goodness, it's huge.
Here. Push this button. Hold on. Should go. Maybe you have to be outside.
You shouldn't.
Okay.